What up, good people? How y'all feeling? Yo. Oh, there we go. Today is the day we attempt to put the engine back in the car. I'm headed over there now to the shop. I just gotta go over there and swap the water pump over, and then do the slave cylinder, and she'll be ready to drop the engine on in. Jim will be there shortly after I arrive, so we're gonna try and knock that out today. At least have it in and bolt it down, and then you know, get some of the wires, plugs, grounds, and all that hooked up. It would be nice to fire it up later on the day, but it depends on how long it takes, and you know, just kind of remembering where everything goes. So yeah, I'm headed there now, about to get some donuts and some coffee, and then yeah, I'll holler at you in a second. All right, just got to the shop, got the motors out. I take this water pump and alternator bracket and all that stuff off, clean it up, and then get ready to put on this one here. Change the gaskets and everything. So about to do that right now. You understand me? Alright, here's a new slave cylinder. I'm gonna take this thing out. Water pump and bracket is all swapped over. So we're gonna put this on, and then yeah, and then start putting the motor in. Should I record this? Y'all don't want to see this, do y'all? No, y'all don't want to see it. All right, new slave cylinder is installed. Here's the old one. Ew. And then now we're just gonna, when I lower the car down, I'm gonna hook it up here, and I'm gonna hook the speed bleeder up. I think it goes right here, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's next. Okay. Here we are. Old slave cylinder out. Bow. Connected to new one. Bow. Here is the speed bleeder cable right there. Hooked up right there. So now we're ready to start putting this dang motor in. They're giving me a hard time because they're saying I should degrease all of this, which they're right, but I just want to get it going. I could do that later. Don't judge me, please. Thank you. All right, ran into a little problem. I was about to start putting the motor in, looked at the motor mounts, and look at that. Cracked, both of them. So now I got to run the AutoZone and grab 2 new motor mounts, and then we're going. Then it's ready to go. But we lowered it, got the control arms off, and it's ready to go in. So I'll be right back. So we got the new motor mount. That's a healthy motor mount right there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. All right, I feel better now. Let's throw these things on and get this motor in.
See, it goes clunk.
Mm-hmm. I'll hold it. Oh, needed longer. Oh, you came prepared.
Yeah. Were you watching the French channel? Sounds like they're talking French. God dang, you little rat. I hate things on there.
Yeah.
All right, you'll need both of them.
All right. Do my side.
Okay, watch the power steering in the front there. There. Okay.
Everything on this side.
So
Now,
far, it looks good here.
with this, the AC compressor.
Yeah.
Y'all took it off as it was coming out, right?
I think so. So you got to get it over that stud.
Yeah. So
You got enough room over there? We can go up if we have to.
Oh, it has to go right here, the back one, right?
I'm not looking at it.
I think the engine has to come down more.
Down?
Yeah, because I'm reaching up for it, and it's.
Will you be able to get it down in there though?
Shit.
You're almost in now.
Hold on, let me make sure this is out the way. Because it was sitting kind of in between the motor mount.
Hey, it's almost time to.
Put them like this.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, I think it was like that.
Whew. What's it sitting on up front? Is it on the?
Steering rack. So it needs to come up, but it needs to go in. Yeah.
I wonder if we should be up a little higher on the lift.
Yeah, jack the engine up a little bit more. Cause it's not.
What I meant the car.
Oh, that. I don't know. A little more. A little more.
Hold on a second here. We're gonna have to line the back up, so.
Once this damn.
All right. I think that the car is gonna have to come up. So I'll lift the engine, or you lift the engine, because you gotta watch back there. See where it's almost on the transmission now, or the tube.
Yeah. So when the hell do I?
See, we need more clearance off that damn crossmember.
Yeah.
Get all choked up. All right. I didn't even get the top right. Hey.
Here we go. Here we go. Torque tube to the engine.
Hardest part.
Oh, the hardest part.
Hardest part. Whew, damn.
They wasn't locked. Damn, should I have put some damn Loctite on
Fuck
there?
no. We're gonna tighten the shit up.
No.
Trust me, I can tighten the shit out of them. Okay. I'm coming out for a drink of water. Oh.
Whew.
Damn, Skippy.
When I tell you, this was a bitch.
Alright, motors in. I'm having a hard time lining these motor mounts up, so I'm working on that. Alright. Front end's all together. Engine's in. Mounted. Sway bar. Control arm, shocks. All that is on. Now, sheesh. Might call it a day, actually. Only thing left to do is ground wires, power steering, all that stuff, and then yeah. All right, I'm about to call it a day, but I'm plugging up all the random stuff. Get that ground next time I'm here. But knock sensors, or what is that? Oil pan sensors. That's knock sensor. No, crank position sensor. All these different sensors. Plug them up. Hit these grounds. That goes there. That's a ground. That's another ground. Those go there. The hell is that? Oh, that goes up top. Gets the damn. Anyway, before I go, look at Jim took the valley cover off the old motor. How much time I got? Ooh, 17 seconds. Look at the damage to that lifter. I don't know if you can see that. All bad. But I'm out because I'm running out of time. Peace.